So if your sweeper is brushing with the curl, meaning that their push stroke is in the same direction that the rock is curling, then they are creating scratches that will encourage the rock to curl more.
So as the rock is, moving down the ice, it has some what we would call momentum, right? Which is equal to its mass times its velocity, which is set to whatever maximum value it starts with as the curler comes out of the hack, right? It is always just going to be feeling a drag force in some way, but predominantly in the opposite direction of its motion that slows it down, eventually robbing it of its kinetic energy until it stops. Many times we'll have some sort of angular momentum, which is a description of how it's spinning, and much like how objects want to continue moving, they want to continue spinning unless they have something applied to stop them spinning. And it seems like the curlers put scratches off to the side to preferentially put a force on this side of the rock to change its spin, right? If there's a force pushing only on this side and not on this side, then it might start it spinning or curling across the ice or whatever the curler desires.